In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail from Facebook, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Facebook's settings to disconnect a Gmail address from your account safely and cleanly. Start by signing into Facebook on your computer or phone. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile picture to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This takes you to Facebook's controls, and for contact details, Facebook now routes you through the Account Center. Inside Account Center, open Personal Details. This is where your name, birthday, and contact information live. Next, head to Contact Info. You'll see the email addresses and phone numbers linked to your account. Find the Gmail address you want to remove and select it so you can manage its options. Before you delete it, here's an important tip. Facebook requires that your account has at least one confirmed contact method for login and security. If your Gmail is your only email, or if it's set as the primary email, take a moment to add a new email address first. You can do that from the same contact info screen using the Add New option. Add the new email, confirm it through the verification message Facebook sends, and, if prompted, make it your primary contact. This prevents login interruptions and ensures you still receive important notifications and recovery codes. With a backup contact in place, return to the Gmail entry and choose Delete Email. Facebook may ask you to re-enter your password or complete a quick security check. Confirm the removal, and the Gmail address will be unlinked from your account's contact info. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete the Gmail account itself, it simply removes it from Facebook. A few quick checks after you finish. Make sure the remaining email or phone is marked as primary, so password resets and alerts go to the right place. If you use two-factor authentication, confirm that your backup codes or authentication app are still set up correctly. And if you typically signed in with that Gmail address, try a quick login with your new primary email or phone to make sure everything works as expected. That's it. You've removed your Gmail from Facebook using the Account Center, kept your login intact, and updated your contact details the right way. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you go through it.